Driving your F-150 every day as a work truck or as a personal vehicle can lead to a lot of wear on your interior pieces, especially the soft touch parts, like your seats or your center console cover here. And what Kustom Interior has designed is not only a great solution to protect your investment, not only seat covers, but also a center console cover as well. Something that looks identical to the original OEM factory console, but can leave some protection for your original investment. So let's dive in today. Let's take a look at this product and see if this is something that you want for your F-150. Let's dive in. All right, everybody, welcome back. So Paul here with another product review, and today we have this really nice center console cover from Kustom Interior. And so you may be familiar with Kustom Interior from my channel because not only have they reached out to me in the past for seat covers, not only for this 2025 F-150 Lightning that I'm sitting in, but also for our Ford Mustang Mach-E. And they make a really nice product that can either emulate the original factory look of your vehicle, similar to how these seat covers look in my Lightning, or you can go with something a little bit more standout. And they offer a lot of different options as far as that goes. But one thing they released recently was this center console cover to protect this area of your center console here. And so this is one of those areas of your vehicle that obviously gets a lot of abuse, right? Your seat's probably number one, but really this center console is one of those places that you're always going to have your arm on. If you use this as a work truck, you're probably using this as a place where you're going to put your lunch, your laptop, something like that, where you're going to have something sitting on this area at some point in the truck's life. And of course, if you want to keep your truck in good shape and you want to make sure that it can be, as good of an investment as you can keep it, well, you got to protect these parts of your vehicle. And now I know some people are like, well, why would I cover up the thing that I purchased? I would rather just have this. But keeping in mind that if you want to protect this part from damaging, if you're using certain things on this material, then replacing something like this once every couple of years is a lot cheaper than trying to replace this piece from Ford. This can be a very expensive item to replace if you had to do so. So if you're looking for something that looks exactly like this but can protect it, and if you do destroy this cover after a couple of years, well, it's a lot easier to replace this than it is this. But anyway, let's dive into this product here we have from Kustom Interior. And once again, this is specific to the Ford F-150. I'll leave a link below so you could take a look at this if you're interested. You'll have a link there to get out to their site and take a look at this for yourself. But I've been kind of putting this up against the Ford OEM center console cover here. And honestly, the pebble material is almost identical. The stitching is pretty close. In fact, the stitching on the Kustom Interior is more white than the stitching, which looks like more of a gray color on the original interior. And this will actually probably match the stitching in my seat cover, since these are also Kustom Interior, a lot better as well now because of the same color stitching. So it looks really good. It's a very simple install. We're going to get this installed for you today. So it'll be a short video, and we'll show you how to do that. All right, so once again, this is a simple process. It's as easy as just identifying the front of it, which is going to be this more rounded off section. The back is kind of be, more straight and flat. So we have this little section up front that will go around here, around the front. And all we're going to do here is we're going to get these straps. There's only 3 of these straps, and we're just going to basically wrap these around the existing console here, and we will straighten them out in a little bit, but we'll just get this on here and slide it down. Make sure we get it over the plastic pieces here. Just take your time, don't pull too hard. You don't want to break anything or rip anything. And that is basically done. We're just gonna get these straps a little bit more even here. Make sure this straightens out a little bit here. Make sure we get our stitching nice and straight and even on both sides. Make sure it's covering the sides of the console. Probably a little bit that way. And that looks pretty good. And we still have access to the button here, as you can see, so it doesn't cover up the button to get into your console. It comes right across the front, right across the top of the button section there. The sides are completely covered here. And this looks actually pretty good. Closes the same, opens the same, so it doesn't get in the way of any of those mechanisms. And this actually looks really nice. Awesome. We got a little bit of creasing in it, but that's fine. That should come out over time, maybe a little bit after some sun hits it for a little bit. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up a little bit to get the shipping stuff off of it, and then we'll take a look at this a little bit more up close. All right, so you can see here the custom interior cover looks pretty good. You can see this little bit of a crease in it. You can see right here there's a little bit of a crease, and that was from when they shipped it, because they shipped it kind of folded. I would really prefer that they didn't ship something like this folded. It would be nice if they kind of shipped it flat, so this way you don't get this crease in here. I'm hoping that some of this will kind of come out from, you know, maybe warming up a little bit. This I'm not so worried about, but this is a little bit of aggressive of a crease in here. But other than that, it looks fantastic. I think it looks really nice. Once again, a close-up of where that latch is. Looks really nice. You could barely tell the difference between this and the factory console. And to kind of give you some contrast between the custom interior seat covers here, the stitching looks really close. Once again, the color is closer to, you know, their own product than the actual factory stitching. But overall, I think it looks really good. Same similar pebble texture to the seats, and I think it looks good. But I'll check in with you in a little bit. We'll drive the truck for a couple weeks, let it sit out in the sun, let it get some heat to it, see if it straightens out a little bit, and maybe fixes part of this little rippling here on the edge. But we'll take a look and we'll see. We'll check back in with you soon. All right, everybody. Well, it's been a couple of weeks since we've had the custom interior center console cover here in our F150 Lightning. And as you can see here, it's still looking pretty good. We still have a little bit of crease marks on the edge here. You can see a little bit of a lift here in the middle. So I just wish they didn't, you know, fold it when they sent it to you, because those little marks, even though they're a little bit better than what they were when we first put it in the truck, and it might still take a little bit more time for them to come out, but it would be nice if they didn't have those in there. But other than that, I really enjoy having this cover. Once again, you can see how easy that it is just to install, but also maintain. And obviously, it doesn't interfere with the closing of the console or opening. So you can very easily still get to the handle back here. So still keeps and retains the exact same functionality it had before. It doesn't get in the way. And I think it looks pretty good. And of course, right now it matches the seat covers perfectly with this white stitching. That matches our seats and now the center console cover from Kustom Interior. All right, so my overall impression of this custom interior center console cover for the F-150, I think not only does it add a little bit more of a style to it with this white stitching. Of course, the other one had stitching as well, but it does match the custom interior seat covers I have a little bit closer with that white stitching. And I think it also adds just that protection to the center console. So obviously, once again, if you have a work truck or if you're going to be leaning on your console a lot and you're afraid of, you know, damaging your fabric, or maybe you use this as a desk or something for a laptop or other things that you might have to sit on top of your console, this could be a very cool easily replaceable alternative versus the original fabric that is, or not fabric, but the original material that is your center console cover. So I think this is a pretty cool addition to your F-150. If it's something you're interested in, of course, I'll have a link down in the description below. I'd like to thank Kustom Interior for sending this out for review, and I'd like to thank all of you very much for watching this episode. Of course, we'll see you on the next one, and remember, welcome to the future. Welcome to Tech Motoring. We'll see you soon.